In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-page Google Forms. This is an especially useful feature for when you have a lengthy survey, or if you want to organize your form into different sections for clarity and ease of response. Let's get started by heading over to Google Forms. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so. Click on the Sign In button, enter your email address and click Next. Then type in your password and click on Sign In again. If you're having trouble signing in, make sure you're using the correct email and password. Once you're signed in, you're ready to begin working on your form. Next, navigate to the Google form you want to add pages to. If you haven't created a form yet, now's a good time to make one. Just click on the blank form option or choose a template to start with. For those of you who are editing an existing form, simply open your form from the list of your saved forms. Now, the key to creating multiple pages in your form is by adding sections. To do this, look for the floating toolbar on the right side of your screen. Here you'll find various options for adding questions, importing questions, adding titles and descriptions, images, videos, and, importantly, the Add Section button. Click on this Add Section icon. When you add a new section, it essentially creates a new page in your Google form. This is where you can add a new set of questions or information that's distinct from the first part of your form. Each section has its own title and description field, allowing you to clearly demarcate different parts of your survey or questionnaire. For example, if you're creating a survey with different topics, each section can be dedicated to a specific topic, making it easier for respondents to understand and answer your questions. An added tip for organizing your form: consider the flow of your questions and how one section leads into another. This can significantly improve the respondent's experience, making it more likely that they'll complete your form. Google Forms automatically saves your progress, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Once you've added all the sections you need, you can preview your form to see how it will appear to respondents. This preview feature is a great way to catch any mistakes, or to reassess the order of sections before sending out your form. That's all there is to it. Creating multi-page Google Forms by adding sections is a simple yet powerful way to organize your surveys or questionnaires. This feature not only makes it easier for you to manage complex forms, but also enhances the experience for those filling them out by not overwhelming them with too many questions all at once. Remember, the more user-friendly your form is, the more likely you are to get complete and thoughtful responses. So, take advantage of this feature to create well-organized, multi-page Google Forms. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Google Forms and other tools.